It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of ignorance. It was the season of light. It was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us. We were all going direct to heaven. We were all going direct the other way.
Nothing before.
Ha! Damn those Japanese! They are battling us at the Lugo Bridge just because of missing soldier, executions. And you know what? I'm going to war with them.
But, Papa, even though you're a great general, but you're not as young and as invincible as you used to be anymore.
Don't worry, my daughter. I may be young, but I'm not useless. I have my own name, own blood to contribute to my country. My name shall show the battlefield.
But
No more buts. My you and your little sister, Lulu. You suffer from mental illness ever since your mother died. And you, well, you are as bright and as clever as any man. But it's too bad you are a girl. What can a girl do in a time like this?
don't worry, Papa. I'll take care of Lulu.
And take care of Auntie Bang too. I know you don't like her, but she's my second wife and your second mother.
She's not my mother. Speak of the devil.
Oh.
At Christian Students Club. Let me introduce you to my friends. This is Mrs. Wu, Mrs. Cheng, and Mrs. Luo.
Unbelievable! I can't believe it. Shanghai is a vibrant city now, but is this the time of life? They must be your uncle to me. I'm taking my score to battle against the Japanese. You! Take good care of my daughters.
Don't mind him. Let's try a few rounds of mahjong, shall we? Why are you still standing there? Get back to your room. Go answer the door, idiot!
Bayo, what are you doing here?
Something very important to tell you. Can we take a walk outside?
What is it you want to tell me?
I'm going to the battlefield to cover the news.
What?
Battles.
Why?
I'm a reporter. My job is to report the truth. The Japs are invading us, but look at us. I have to wake the Chinese government officials up. I have to wake all of us up.
First, it's Papa. Now, it's you.
Don't worry. I promise I'll be back once I finish the news, okay? Will you support me? Will you wait for me?
Take care of yourself.
其他人不这样，现在不这样看吧。你等下全部录进去，你讲的全部录进去，被 Kelly 看听到。
What? Can you stop teasing me like that? 阿桃，阿桃，阿桃！Stop her out of mouth! If you won't do it, I will!
If you dare touch her, I'll never let you off. Papa is gone for only half a day and show your true colors.
So?
It's true, I can't do anything to you, but not steal my father's daughter. If you do anything to Lulu, I will have to kick you out of the house.
赵如梦，
放燕飞。
什么东西？
I don't know. Let's go to restaurant for supper, shall we? Let's go.
好可爱哦！
王牌大
小冤家，你干嘛像个傻瓜？我问话为什么你不回答？你说过爱着我是真是假？说清楚讲明白，不许装傻。小冤家听了话，哎呀哎呀，大大的眼看着我抓吧抓吧，气得我掉转头，不如回家。小冤家拉住了我，这才说话。爱上天，还生地，还生冤家，想着你看见这心乱如麻。
我中文歌，
千句话，万句话，后头打架。谁知道见到了你，只会发傻。
Welcome, ladies. Tonight we have a very special Chinese dish. 红烧狮子头. What would you like to order?
Order whatever you like, Lulu.
Nana, what do you want? Important, please? Okay, important.
No problem.
なんかとても勝利。俺は寿司。ジュンさんを食べたい。
Sushi? Sorry, sir. This is a Chinese restaurant. We don't sell sushi here.
Chinese restaurant。No sushi？バカみたい。
やめてください。
哦，
My name has nothing to do with you.
Chinese girls are so good. Either no punishment for that.
Let it go, you filthy.
哦，
真干的。
Dogs behave like how you just did. Especially for a pretty young lady.
Oh my god！
You.
Scram Jack Doctor was that way. Yes, move it.
That Chinese guy better than that.
Turn around or I will shoot. Oh, are you alright? My name is Xuan Chang. What is your name?
赵如梦 This is my sister. We're from General Zhao's family.
Ah, General Zhao Qianfeng. A great general. Well, little girls like you shouldn't be around so late at night. Why don't I escort you home?
Thank you, sir. First, I'm not with a girl. Second, we can go home by ourselves, right? Thank you and good night, sir.
Seems like you got a little tiger in you, miss. Well, in that case, if you need any help, you can always get me at this address.
I don't think I would, sir.
Of course you will. I just get the feeling we'll meet again. Until then, take care. Escort the two ladies back. Follow from a distance.
Yes, sir.
发生什么事了？
almost half a month since Papa left. And there's no news of Bai Yao either. I wonder how they are doing.
In no time, those Japanese stores will be out of China. True.
Papa, you're safe and sound.
Of course I am. My good daughter, Miss General Wang Zhangming, the vice chairman of Kuomintang.
Pleased to meet you, sir.
Miss Ru Meng, father is indeed a courageous general. Japanese were planning to take down Shanghai and then the rest of China. But your father, he fought hard and well. So we managed to win a few more battles and hold out against them.
I couldn't have done it without you, oh partner.
Yeah.
And you know what? Those Japanese stores say they will take down China in 3 months. 3 months. Bullshit! 对，
什么东西？
It's dinner time. Food, meat, vegetable, and fish.
Sir!
this is.
The Japanese have taken down Nanjing. They will kill hundreds and thousands of people. Blood is flowing like a river. It's a massacre. Help, General! Help!
Those bastards! This is atrocious! 干什么啊？
你看他好笑了，我要。太可爱了。
Mistress, it's a letter from Mr. Zhao. Dear Yanfei, Ru Meng, and Lu Lu, the Japanese have totally taken over Nanjing. The city is hopeless now. General Jiang Jieshi is moving Kuomintang inland to Chongqing, and I'm going with him to make further plans for war. It shall be a long war. Some Japanese troops are planning to attack Shanghai too. They have very powerful fighting jets. Do take care of yourself. With love, Qianfeng. It's an air raid! Quick, grab our belongings. We have to go to the bomb shelter immediately.
怎么那么简单？我好平淡啊！
This place. So, you please stay here. I don't want to stay here.
If you go out, you will die. So shut up!
Are there any family members of General Zhao Qingfeng here? I'm his wife. What is that? I'm sent to report that General Zhao Qingfeng was assassinated.
What?
General Jiang Jieshi has ordered an investigation.
What happened to Papa? What happened to Papa?
Oh, don't worry, okay? Papa will be away for a while. We can't go on like this. Perhaps the Chinese soldiers are retreating from Shanghai. Perhaps they have given up on this city too. I must get some help.
Where are you going to get help?
Xu Wenqiang. He's a gangster, but perhaps he can help us. He's in the southern part of Shanghai, and General Wang Zhangming is there too. I must go to them and find as much help as possible. that we can play. But please, take care of Lulu. I beg. This is no time for family war. It's real war.
Oh.
Take care of her. You take care of yourself too.
还在演，也是蛮多人的。
A young lady seems on scene. She says she's from General Zhao's family.
Show her in, quickly. So, we meet again, miss. As I predicted.
I didn't come to chit-chat with you. I came to ask for help.
Help.
The Japanese are invading northern Shanghai. My father Zhao Qianfeng was killed on his way to Chongqing. Fewer and fewer soldiers are left to defend Shanghai. And so I have come to ask for assistance. Please, Xu Wenqiang, help us. I know you are one of the most powerful men around.
Any idea who killed your father?
If I find the murderer, I'll kill him.
Here, have a look. One of my men took these pictures. You should know him, the murderer.
I can't believe it's him! I can't believe it's him!
他们都是。真的吗？我觉得是白人，我希望是白人，我希望是白人，我是白人，我看到。小乌卡，对。
Why are you here?
Is there anybody in your house?
No.
I found this guy. He was dropping in my office. So, I brought him.
Terrible. Bring him in. Oh, Matsumoto-san. Would you like to have some green tea?
Sure, sure.
Green
This must be General Wang's place.
Matsumoto-san, arigatou gozaimashita. With your help, I finally set up a government in Nanjing on my own.
No. Thank yourself for cooperating with the Japanese government. We should make a great team from now on. Hong Zhaoming, you don't! Your government is merely a puppet of the Japanese emperor! And how dare you kill Ru Meng's father just like that? Traitor!
Ru Meng's father, Zhao Qianfeng, that muddle-headed general. I've tried so many times to persuade him to work with me and the Japanese government. But he was as stubborn as a mule. So, cutting him off was my last choice. But don't worry, he didn't die a slow death. What are you doing here? You must have been standing at the door for a long time. But do come in and have some tea.
I just can't. General Wang, you must help me. Someone
Do you know who the murderer is?
I have no idea. But if you find a murderer, you will kill him for me, won't you? You are my father's opponent.
Of course I will. I will even skin the murderer alive.
Thank you, sir. Now, I must go back to my Auntie Fa and Lulu.
Hey, what's the hurry? Just stay back and have some green tea.
No, thank you, sir. I really have to go.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I insist you stay! Let it go, Becca. Head of the Shanghai Mafia. What are you doing here?
Don't utter my name. I came to see what a Japanese dog looks like.
Hey, mind your manners. Now I'm the head of the government, Nanjing.
Nanjing. Good for you, right? But Nanjing has long been taken down by the Japanese. So you're telling me that you're Japanese now?
Of course not.
Take him away!
How dare you!
Xuan-chan, be careful. There are other men in here. I heard him talking to a Matsumoto-san before I came in.
Young lady, let us go now, or he shall die.
Oh.
Don't!
As you wish, miss.
好帅哦！
I'm so glad to see you. Listen, before you guys came, I hear Wang Zhaoming talking about an ambush near downtown Shanghai. There are more than 300 people. We have to save them.
Downtown Shanghai. That's General Zhang's place. I'll take you there.
AD 就这样没戏了。
对啊，会死掉的。
Dear Remo, we have lost several battles against the Japanese. Yesterday, a young little boy died in my arms. He was so pure, so innocent. No one could ever imagine killing him. But that is the cruelty of war. Guns have no eyes, and soldiers must not have hearts. Words cannot describe the despair I see on the battlefield, the sorrow in the mother's heart. But I'm thankful to be alive, alive and kicking, alive and longing to go home, alive and longing to see you.
是周杰伦的歌。
Sometimes, during moments of despair, I remember the favorite lines. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the best of times because I met you. It was the worst of times because we are separated by circumstances. Yet, even though we are trapped in the winter of despair, I'm sure the spring of hope is awaiting me somewhere. I do not blame the times. I do not blame fate. I just want us to be together again. But Rumong, I have changed. I'm no longer who I was. If you would still kindly accept me, meet me at the Shanghai train station next month. Love, Bai Yao.
懂什么意思？
停车站在
哦
接人什么的，可是他们已经没有等到。
白羊
Mom, stay there. I can walk to you.
好奇怪。
I can run into your arms.
I can barely stand.
Let me be your crouch. Let me hold on to you. Let me support you.
I've been waiting for this moment for centuries. I love you. I love you. 如梦，如梦。
为什么车站明明很平静，为什么有人？
我觉得。